Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you know, Hurricane Melissa recently passed over Jamaica and there was severe damage to the western part of the island. Now today we're giving you a tour of Santa Cruz, which is one of the main towns in St. Elizabeth. Tomorrow we'll give you a tour of Black River. Now Santa Cruz is not near the coast, it's inland. And you can see the damage that the hurricane did to this town. Black River is on the coast, so they got the storm surge. The water came in. So we will show you those videos tomorrow, but today we're showing you the damage done in Santa Cruz. Now straight ahead, that's the main road. It's literally covered with mud. That's because of the heavy rain washing all the water down, and the government resources actually came through here and cleared the road, pushing a lot of the rubble and dirt to the side so that you could at least drive. Now, quite a few structures have structural damage, and there's still a lot of flooding taking place in the town. Alright, so enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.